Today we're going to do a quick overview on why motorcycles are better than cars. By the end of this video, you might just be convinced to trade in your four wheels for two, so let's get started. First up, fuel efficiency. Motorcycles are known for their excellent gas mileage and often get double or even triple the miles per gallon compared to cars. This of course means you'll save money on fuel and reduce your carbon footprint if that's something you're concerned about. And of course the money you save could always be spent on customization. Motorcycles offer endless possibilities for customization to make your motorcycle your motorcycle. For most major manufacturers, parts are plentiful and it's easy to mix and match different combinations to set up your bike exactly how you want it. And of course, if you have the fabrication skills, you can take your ride from mild to wild, with the only limit being your imagination. When it comes to maintenance, motorcycles generally have lower costs than cars. With fewer parts and a simpler design, you'll spend less time and money on repairs and upkeep. Just remember to keep up with regular maintenance to ensure your bike stays in tip-top shape. For those who commute to work, motorcycles offer a more efficient way to navigate traffic. With their slim profile, motorcycles can easily maneuver through congested roads, helping you save time and avoid the stress of sitting in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Next, let's talk about parking. I'm sure we've all experienced the frustration of trying to find a parking spot in a crowded city or even just a crowded parking lot. And with a motorcycle, you can easily fit into smaller spaces, making parking a breeze. Plus, a lot of places offer designated motorcycle parking, which is often cheaper or even free. Motorcycle enthusiasts often form tight-knit communities, bonding over their shared passion for two-wheeled adventures. From group rides to motorcycle clubs, you'll find a welcoming and supportive network of fellow riders who share your love for the open road. And finally, let's talk about the thrill of the ride. There's something exhilarating about cruising down the open road on a motorcycle, feeling the wind in your face and the freedom of the open road. It's an experience that's hard to replicate in a car. So there you have it, folks. There are just a few reasons why motorcycles are better than cars. Of course, there are also some disadvantages to riding a motorcycle, such as safety concerns, but overall, I think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. If you've never ridden a motorcycle before, I highly recommend you give it a try. And who knows, you might just fall in love with it. So I appreciate you guys watching, and always, be good. See you.